Hello everyone, welcome you all to YouTube channel called Life is Awesome Ceiling and Fans. Viewers, today I will show you one of the most beautiful front elevation design and the plan. The plan is very much simple compared to the other type of the house. This plan is one of the most beautiful plan, and this plan will give you some best and enough space as compared to the other type of the house, as the plan consists of some following details which has been discussed, and those details are in the following way. As here you can see, here is a living room and staircase along with red color toilet room has been used, and staircase steps has been taken, full entrance has been given. Here it is the small kitchen, size is 4 feet 6 inch by 9 feet 4 inch. From here you will enter here. So there is another one entrance has been given. From this passage area you will enter into the house, and this is totally three type of the house has been made. Here you can see kitchen along with toilet room and the living room, along with one bedroom has been taken. The bedroom size has been used is one of the simple and comfortable type compared to the other type of the house which has been used. As you can check out, this is one of the most beautiful and simple type of the plan. The for this here entrance has been given. The entrance into the living room size is 14 inch by 8 feet 9 inch, which is one of the simple type of the house compared to the other type of the design. Here is kitchen, and whose size here has been taken as 7 feet by 5 feet, which is a medium size kitchen, and space is also normal and comfortable one, which is not more not less as like the other type of the house which has been used. So we will discuss about the column size here which going to take, but one column has came in between. You can avoid that column, or else you can move that column to the another space of the house which has been used. As now we are going to discuss about this, the column here used is also simple. So we will check out the other few images, and those images are utilized as one more image I want to show you. This is the one more another image. Thank you.